Good morning, everybody. Today, I want to give you a strategy. But first, I want to go over some of the things that I see on the internet and the strategies that people are putting online. So let's take a look at this one. This one's by the Trading Fox. He has a nice clickbaity one that says 85% win rate. Yeah, so we look here, we can see this awesome page here, and when we read this comment down here, he praises the algorithm, says the profit factor 2.76, which actually I got 2.0, and the profit, he says he got 18, I got 10. Now, of course, if you go on to here, there is the indicator file, but no template. But he says use the Rex indicator for exit. And yeah, so we can't know exactly how he's trading, and we don't. He says I didn't use the C2 indicator here. And it's also ambiguous on how these people are actually getting these back-tested profits. And I think it's bullshit. And I think this Havoc Trading guy is an idiot. And I think the guy who does Trading Fox, he sounds smart because, you know, he's got a UK accent, but everyone from the UK knows that the accent doesn't mean anything. All right, so did I offend enough people? Good. Because if you backtested this stuff or checked it out with any details, you would come up with the same answers, that there's a whole bunch of stuff on the internet that is just wants you to click on it and watch it, and it has no validity to it, and they don't show you anything, and there's no substance, and just I know you're thinking it, and so hopefully this video will give you some substance. I'm going to give you a trading strategy right now.
All right, everybody, let's get started. Australia, New Zealand dollar, and it is January 1st, 2021. Let's go. Okay, here's our first signal. It went outside of the Bollinger Bands here, and then we got a signal here on RSI. And then when the RSI returns back into the middle here, we can take the trade. So we're going to do a sell, and that will be a 1 ATR distance stop loss and a 2 ATR take profit. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so we came out of the Bollinger Band here. We came back into the Bollinger Band, but the RSI didn't cross back inside. Here it did, so we're going to take the trade long. And that's it. And we passed here 8%, and that took us a month and 11 days.
Oh wow, what a breath of fresh air. A strategy provided really slow and explained as it went along, as the chart went into the future. Okay, a lot of people on the internet, they love to like do the play-by-play of charts in the past, that where all the data is already there and you can see it all, and then they say, oh, I did it here, I got in here. Oh, and it's always the perfect spot. And you know, ICT, he's the king of the the chart reading in the past. All right, so hey, but guess what? I kind of went a little bit fast for some people. So let's do it again.
Okay, Swiss Japanese yen, January 1st, 2021. Let's go. Okay, our first signal. Okay, price came out of the Bollinger Bands and closed. Next, came back in, and the RSI went back in to the middle here. We're going to take a short trade. Okay, price hit our target, and now we've got a second signal right after it. Okay, price came out of the Bollinger Band just a little bit here, and then the RSI went out of the line and came back in. So we're going to take a long trade. Okay, we've reached our target, 6%. And just to give you guys an option here to move your stop loss to break even, if you think the price has gone 1 ATR or maybe a little bit more, or at least has come to the Bollinger Band moving average, middle average here, you can go ahead and set your stop loss to break even. But we hit our target of 6%, so we can close the trade.
That's right. So sometimes you get into some situations where you want to move your stop loss to break even. So you can do that when you feel like the price has moved pretty close to the mean average of the Bollinger Band. You could also do it like, hey, after 4 bars, move it to break even. Or maybe just leave the trade and get out of it if it's gone 4 bars and you're not in profit yet. Probably time to just maybe exit that trade. You can use these strategies. There's one more filter that I add to it, and it is a moving average, a 200 and a 50. The golden cross, and I will provide that to you, and you can use that as a filter, another filter. And I'm trading these on 3 pairs, on the US dollar, on the Aussie New Zealand, and the Japanese Swiss Japanese. Those are the 3 pairs I'm only using this strategy on. And and I'm using that filter as well. I'm going to put the filter in the template on the website. And I want you to backtest this and practice it and then try it. I'm going to give you some of the results that I've been getting and show you that it is profitable, and that I'm giving you this, and you can take this and become a profitable trader. And I'm showing you how it's done. And that's great, right? So let's go get it on the website. All right, so let's go on the website and get you the strategy. Okay, click on how to backtest, or you could scroll down, whatever, and get really mean reversion strategies. Click on there. This is the backtesting software I'm using. And then this is everything I'm using, and you can download it, the template, and the ATR stop loss. These 2 indicators right here, Bollinger Band, RSI, and the moving average, are already on your MT4 stock, so you don't need to put those in there. You just need to, inside this file, there's a template. Okay, so let's take a look at my results for 2020. 12%, very low drawdown too. This one we're minus on Australia and New Zealand, and we got some minus there plus. whatever, plus 5% on the Swiss Japanese yen. But my favorite, which I recommend for you to use, are the euro, US dollar, Australian, New Zealand, and the Swiss Japanese yen. And you don't do these two ones. I don't think they're that good, even though they didn't really lose a lot, and this one didn't really win a lot. Um, yeah, so another thing, I didn't want to confuse you and add too much to it, especially because there's beginners watching. But this one, the 200 moving average and the 50 moving average. So you're only going to take longs if the 50 is above the 200, and you're only going to take shorts with the 200. Sorry, with the 50 below the 200. It's a pretty easy thing to add, and it's already in the template. But yeah, you just when price is trending up, you're only going to take the longs, and when price is trending down, you're only going to take the shorts. And I really hope all this was really helpful for you. And give me some feedback, test it out, and see that I'm not full of it. And then you got yourself your own trading strategy that you can take with you and go make some money with it. And thanks for everyone for watching, for subscribing, for liking, for commenting, shooting me emails. I appreciate it very much. Have a great day, guys. Bye.